Benefits of website maintenance. Website maintenance is the ongoing process of regularly updating, optimizing, and managing a website to ensure its smooth functioning and optimal performance. For businesses in Malaysia, website maintenance holds immense significance in today's digital landscape. Let's take a closer look at the benefits it brings. 1. Improved security. Regular website maintenance helps protect your business and customer data from potential cyber threats. With the increasing number of online attacks, keeping your website up to date with security patches and software updates is crucial in safeguarding sensitive information. 2. Enhanced user experience. A well-maintained website provides visitors with a seamless browsing experience, contributing to higher engagement and increased customer satisfaction. By regularly monitoring and optimizing your website's performance, you ensure that users can navigate effortlessly, find information quickly, and enjoy a smooth interaction with your brand. 3. Increased search engine rankings. Search engines favor websites that are regularly updated and properly maintained. By regularly refreshing your content, fixing broken links, and optimizing your website structure, you improve its chances of ranking higher in search engine results. This, in turn, boosts your online visibility and drives more organic traffic to your business in Malaysia. 4. Higher conversion rates. A well-maintained website has a direct impact on conversion rates. By regularly monitoring and improving elements such as page loading speed, mobile responsiveness, and user-friendly navigation, you create a positive user experience that encourages visitors to take desired actions, whether it's making a purchase, filling out a form, or contacting your business.